We're going to be making an orange vanilla cake. This recipe is so easy. You can even do it in a blender, but I'm going to be doing it with a mixer. So you can do it any way you want. Stay tuned and let's do this. I've got a couple of oranges here that I have rinsed. I'm going to cut each orange in half, and I need a half a cup of orange juice. To this half cup of freshly squeezed orange juice, I don't want that to cook out in my batter, so I'm going to be using an orange extract. I'm going to be using a half tablespoon. I want to put that inside of my freshly squeezed orange, and I'm going to mix that up, and that should give it a real big orange pop. We're going to add that in there. I'm going to whisk it into my orange juice. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, tablespoon of vanilla powder. I want to make sure I mix this very, very well. We want to put this to the side, and let's do our wet ingredients. Okay, we're going to use 3 eggs, half a cup of vegetable oil, a half cup of milk, 3 large eggs that are going in, 1/2 cups of the sugar. I'm just going to dump that in also. Got my mixer or a blender, and I'm just going to beat this up. I'm going to take some of my dry ingredients, and I'm going to hold the bowl over, and I'm going to make sure I get some of that in there, and then I'm going to put it to the side, and I'm going to blend. But if you have a blender, you can just dump it all in. I like just doing the old-fashioned mixer. You can use a blender with this cake. I'm going to dump it all in here, guys. Hitting my bowl, taking my spatula and just going around the rim, getting all that white powder out of there, which is, it's the cake powder, and it's going to be good. I got an 8 by 11 glass baking pan. I'm going to use some quick spray, and I'm going to pour my cake. You want to hit that oven to 350 and preheat your oven so it can be nice and ready for that cake to slide in there for about 35 minutes to about 40. Bowl, I got my 4 tablespoons of butter. It's softened, and I'm just going to whip this up. 8-ounce Philadelphia cream cheese or any kind of cream cheese you have on hand. I'm just going to take it. I'm going to beat this with the butter. I need 2 cups of this confectionate sugar. Start whipping this. Teaspoon of vanilla extract in here. Add 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla powder because we want that to really bring out that vanilla. And I'm going to be peeling some orange zest. I just need a little of the orange zest, just little flakes. I just take it, and I'm just going to whip that orange zest. Okay, got my icing out. It's been in the refrigerator. This is my beautiful cake. This is the icing. Okay, this is my icing that's going to go down. Okay, so we're done to cut into this cake. So I'm just gonna cut a small piece of the cake. I'm gonna get my cake out, a piece of it, and show you what it looks like. And don't forget, we got little pieces of rind in there, orange rind, to show you that's an orange cake. And look at that. That looks so delicious. So creamy, thick, and delicious. And oh my God, all that orange flavor in there. There we go. I hope you enjoyed making this orange vanilla cake as much as I did. Because guess what? I didn't make this alone. You and me, we did this together. And we can make plenty more. Hey guys, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Come back so we can make plenty more dishes. See you next time. Bye.